Hey you ever get tired? Tired of the same old vacation destinations, the same predictable tourist traps? You know, the kind of places where they sell shot glasses and those little snow globes with fake snow that sticks to the inside? Yeah, me too. It's all so predictable. That's why we're going to Alabama. Now, I know what you're thinking. Alabama, land of grits, gravy, and Lynyrd Skynyrd? But trust me on this one. Alabama, like a lot of places, hides its treasures well. Behind the facade of charming southern hospitality and sweet tea, there's a wildness here, a raw beauty that most folks never see. So buckle up, kids. We're ditching the guidebooks and the well-worn paths. We're going deep, unearthing the soul of Alabama, one hidden gem at a time. Get ready for some real-deal experiences, the kind that stick with you long after you've unpacked your bags. Forget your fancy nightclubs and neon lights. Out here, the night has a different kind of magic. Out here in Phil Campbell, Alabama, the real party starts after the sun goes down. It's a place where the stars shine brighter and the air feels fresher. We're talking about Dismal's Canyon, a place where the darkness isn't something to fear, it's something to savor. This hidden gem is a sanctuary for those who seek a different kind of nightlife. Imagine this. You're deep in a canyon, the air thick with the scent of pine and damp earth. The sounds of the forest envelop you, creating a symphony of nature. The last rays of sunlight are fading and the shadows are growing longer. The anticipation builds as the day transitions into night. And then, you see them. Tiny lights begin to appear, almost like magic. Tiny pinpricks of light, like 1,000 stars fallen to earth, begin to flicker on, illuminating the canyon walls in an ethereal, otherworldly glow. It's a sight that takes your breath away. These are the Dismalites, folks. Tiny bioluminescent creatures that create this mesmerizing display. Tiny bioluminescent creatures, similar to glowworms, that call this place home. They light up the canyon in a way that feels almost supernatural. They're a rare breed, found in only a handful of places on Earth, and seeing them in action is like stepping into a fairy tale. It's an experience that feels both ancient and timeless. Now, I'm not a big believer in magic, but there's something about this place that gets under your skin. It makes you feel connected to something greater. Maybe it's the way the light dances on the canyon walls or the sound of the crickets chirping in the darkness. The ambience is simply enchanting. Whatever it is, it's enough to make you believe that maybe, just maybe, there's still a little bit of wonder left in the world. It's a reminder of the beauty that exists beyond our everyday lives. Pro tip. If you're coming to Dismal's Canyon, do yourself a favor and book a guided night tour. The guides here are knowledgeable and passionate about this unique ecosystem. These guys know the lay of the land and they'll make sure you get the most out of your experience. They'll share stories and insights that you won't find in any guidebook. And trust me, you don't want to be wandering around this place in the dark without a guide. The terrain can be tricky, and it's easy to get lost. Not unless you want to end up as a story the locals tell around a campfire. So, come prepared, and let the night in Dismal's Canyon show you its magic. Ever been to a place that feels like it's stuck in time? A place where the past and present seem to blend seamlessly, creating an eerie yet fascinating atmosphere? That's Spectre, Alabama for you. A place that feels like a snapshot from a different era. Well, technically it's not really a town, more like a ghost of one. A place where time seems to have stood still. A movie set, to be precise. A place built for the silver screen but left to the elements. See, back in '03, Tim Burton, the guy who does all those quirky dark movies, decided to film Big Fish here. He envisioned a whimsical, almost surreal town. Built this whole town from scratch, he did, right here on this island in the middle of nowhere. It was a massive undertaking, creating an entire town just for a movie. And when they yelled cut for the last time, they just left it standing. The set was abandoned, left to weather the passage of time. Now, most folks would call that crazy, but not me. I call it art. There's something profoundly beautiful about a place left to decay naturally. Walking through Spectre is like stepping onto a movie set, only it's real. The illusion of cinema blending with the reality of nature. The buildings are weathered and overgrown, paint peeling like old skin, but that just adds to the charm. Each crack and crevice tells a story. It's a photographer's dream, this place, the textures, the colors, the atmosphere. It's also photogenic. Every corner you turn, there's another shot begging to be captured. And the best part? The place is practically deserted, giving you the freedom to explore. You might just run into a few four-legged residents while you're exploring. Yes, goats have taken over the town. Seems a herd of goats decided to make Spectre their home after the film crew left. Don't worry, they're harmless. Mostly. They add a quirky touch to the place, just adds to the whole abandoned post-apocalyptic vibe, you know? It's like stepping into a different world. So if you're tired of the same old tourist traps, come on down to Spectre. It's a unique experience you won't find anywhere else. Get lost in the silence, let your imagination run wild. The quiet can be quite therapeutic. Who knows, you might just find a little piece of movie magic yourself. A place where the lines between reality and fiction blur, creating a truly unforgettable experience. Let's be honest, folks. There's something undeniably thrilling about venturing into the unknown, especially when that unknown is right beneath our feet. Who needs sunshine and fresh air when you can descend into the bowels of the earth and marvel at nature's subterranean masterpieces? It's an adventure like no other, a journey into a world that feels both alien and familiar. That's what we're doing at Cathedral Caverns, a place that makes you feel like you've stumbled onto the set of a Jules Verne novel. The sense of wonder and discovery is palpable from the moment you arrive. First off, the entrance alone is enough to knock your socks off. We're talking massive, folks. It's like the earth itself is inviting you in, daring you to explore its hidden depths. One of the widest cave entrances in the world, they say. It's a gateway to a realm of natural wonders that few get to experience. You could drive a Greyhound bus through this thing, maybe two if you stacked them right. It's a testament to the sheer scale of what lies beneath. But the real show starts once you're inside. The air is cool, the light dim, and the sense of mystery is almost tangible. Imagine colossal stalagmites reaching for the ceiling like ancient petrified giants. These formations have been growing for millennia, each one a silent witness to the passage of time. Underground waterfalls cascading into crystal-clear pools, the sound of water echoes through the caverns, adding to the otherworldly atmosphere. And the frozen waterfall, a massive flowstone formation that looks like a cascade of frozen water, forever suspended in time. It's one of the many wonders that make this place so special. And then there's Goliath. No, not the biblical giant, though this thing's big enough to be his namesake. It's a natural marvel that leaves you speechless. Goliath's the cave's largest stalagmite, a towering behemoth over 45 feet tall and wider than a damn house. It's a sight that has to be seen to be believed. Standing at its base, you can't help but feel a sense of awe, a reminder of just how small we are in the grand scheme of things. It's a humbling experience, one that stays with you long after you've left the cave. So ditch the theme parks and the crowded beaches, folks. There's a whole world beneath our feet waiting to be explored, a world of natural beauty and wonder. Come down to Cathedral Caverns and experience the raw, untamed beauty of the underworld. It's an adventure you'll never forget. Just watch your step, and maybe bring a flashlight. The caverns can be a bit tricky to navigate, but that's all part of the fun, just in case. Safety first, but adventure always. Most folks think of Alabama and they picture sprawling cotton fields and bustling cities, but there's a different side to this state, a wilder, more untamed side. And it's calling to us, folks, from the heart of the Cahaba River National Wildlife Refuge. Now this ain't your typical tourist trap, crammed with gift shops and overpriced snacks. This is a place for those who crave solitude, who find solace in the whispers of the wind and the gentle lapping of water against the shore. Here, the star of the show is a flower, not just any flower, mind you, but the Cahaba lily, a rare and delicate beauty that blooms only once a year, transforming the riverbanks into a breathtaking tapestry of white and gold. Imagine this. You're paddling down the Cahaba River, the sun warm on your face, the only sound the gentle splash of your paddle. And then you see them, hundreds, thousands of Cahaba lilies, their delicate petals unfurling in the sunlight like a scene straight out of a Monet painting. This, my friends, is what it's all about. The simple pleasures, the quiet moments of beauty that take your breath away. So ditch the crowds and the noise and come lose yourself in the serene embrace of the Cahaba River National Wildlife Refuge. You might just find yourself too. They call it the Grand Canyon of the East, and let me tell you folks, it lives up to the hype. Little River Canyon, carved over eons by the relentless force of water, is a testament to the power of nature. Imagine this. You're standing on the rim of the canyon, the wind whipping through your hair, gazing out at a vista that seems to stretch on forever. Below you, the little river snakes its way through the canyon floor, a silver ribbon against a backdrop of emerald green. This ain't no place for the faint of heart, folks. This is a place for adventurers, for those who crave the thrill of the climb, the rush of adrenaline as they conquer nature's obstacles. Whether you're scaling the sheer rock faces, rappelling down waterfalls, or hiking to breathtaking overlooks, Little River Canyon will test your limits and leave you breathless. And for those who prefer a more leisurely pace, there's always the scenic rim road. Just be sure to keep your eyes peeled for the waterfalls cascading down the canyon walls, each one a masterpiece of nature's artistry. So come on folks, let's ditch the tour buses and the crowded viewpoints. Let's lace up our boots, grab our backpacks, and lose ourselves in the rugged beauty of Little River Canyon. Adventure awaits. So there you have it folks. 5 hidden gems in the heart of Alabama, each one a testament to the state's raw beauty and untamed spirit. From the ethereal glow of the Dismalites to the cinematic ruins of Spectre, from the subterranean wonders of Cathedral Caverns to the delicate beauty of the Cahaba Lilies, Alabama has something to offer even the most jaded traveler. If you're tired of the same old tourist traps, if you're looking for an adventure that will stay with you long after you've unpacked your bags, then come on down to Alabama. You might be surprised at what you find. And hey, if you enjoyed this little journey, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Go Globetrotters Travel for more off-the-beaten-path adventures. And let me know in the comments below if you've been to any of these places, or if you have your own Alabama secrets to share. Until next time, keep exploring.